嗯，我说你记住了没有？这个 function system certain language 哈，这个地方，这个哈。Here I'd like to introduce the panel here. It is a 5-axis double arms robot. You can see here we are in manual mode, so you can move the axis. This one is X2. To control the move of X2. X2 is the sub-arms, mostly used to be to pick the runners. And here you can see the X1. So we set the program. When you start a new program, you can move the robot arm to move forward and backward manually first. And also, Y1 is the main arm. When it alarms, it means that this robot is out of the safety zone, so the robot will alarm. Basic operation will be like this, to move manually first. Now we, okay, 可能